Hey everyone, my name is Mohammad Nadeem and you are watching my YouTube channel Know Your Car with Mohammad Nadeem. So guys, thank you so much you have visited my channel. One request, if you are new to the channel, please visit my entire channel. You will be getting many informative videos which will be helping you to understand the features of your vehicle in a very simple manner. After watching the videos, if you like the videos, please again a request, subscribe to my channel and please like the videos and share the videos. So starting today's video, so as you have seen the caption, as you have seen the thumbnail, today we will be talking about the multi-terrain select switch which is available in the new Land Cruiser 300. So what is this MTS switch? Let us understand in a very simple and a very detailed manner. So MTS switch, you will be getting the different driving modes, and what all are those driving modes, what all are those driving conditions, let us understand. So in MTS you get two types of driving modes setting and number of modes available. So one will be available in H4 and another type of modes will be available on L4. So let us see one by one what all features are available in H4 and next we'll be moving to the L4. So first, whenever you press the MTS switch, you can see an A indication in green color available over here, which is very easily visible. Hope you can see and hope the camera is doing justice to the feature. Again, when I rotate this rotor, so this mode select is basically a rotor. So when I rotate it, you can see the multi-terrain select setting available, and first mode which you can see is the auto driving mode. So as per the traction on the terrain, the vehicle will be customizing its driving setting and traction and grip to the tires automatically. Second mode which is available is the dirt mode. So you can select this mode on a dirty terrain, wherein on dirt you can drive the vehicle in a very effective manner without getting stuck to the dirt or something like that. In sand, you can definitely select the sand mode, and whenever there is mud, there is an option available for mud also. And the last option which is available is deep snow. So if you are driving through deep snow, you can definitely select the deep snow, wherein the traction will be controlled according to the snow, and very easily you can clear that particular terrain whichever is coming on your way. So now moving to the L4, and let us see what all are the modes available in L4. So first and foremost, whenever you need to move on the L4, first what you have to do is the vehicle should be on the neutral. So whenever the vehicle is on the neutral, as you can see right now, you can press this toggle and you can shift it back as I have done right now. So once I select the 4 low switch over there, you can see a yellow color indicator on the speedometer, and you can also notice that the vehicle stability control is off. Now if I rotate this particular rotor, I can see 4 different modes which are available. In case of the H4 and combination of multi-terrain select MTS, there were 5 modes, and over here there are 4 modes. So in L4 you will be getting auto mode, you will be getting sand mode, you will be getting mud mode, and you will be also getting rock mode. So these are the 4 modes available exclusively for you, so wherein you can have a very good off-road driving experience. And in case if you want anything else in terms of the driving modes available in MTS, please comment. Definitely I will be making a video and I will be trying to answer to your queries. Thank you so much.